Hello everyone, and welcome to my Royal Family Politics channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Prince Harry admitted he wanted an ordinary life long before he married Meghan Markle and left the royal family. Turns out Prince Harry may have been planned on leaving the royal family even before tying the marriage with Meghan Markle. In an interview dating back to 2017, the Duke of Sussex freely stated his wish for a normal life away from the royal spotlight. Harry revealed that he would have gone away much sooner if it weren't for his great attachment to a certain member of the royal family. Prince Harry desired a regular life before Meghan Markle became his wife. When Prince Harry sat down with Newsweek, he stated his ambition for a life outside of the royal family. The interview took place in 2017, little than a year after he met Meghan. Harry expressed his actual feelings about the royals in a candid conversation with royal writer Angela Levin. During their talk, the Duke of Sussex freely stated his displeasure with the royal lifestyle and the prominence that comes along with it. Harry confessed his persistent wish to break away from the monarchy, freely admitting that he wanted out and that he preferred an ordinary life. Yet his love to Queen Elizabeth II saved him from leaving the firm. Harry went on to add that there was a moment when he sincerely sought to disassociate himself from the royal family. Not only did he want for an existence that was ordinary, but he also longed to be free from the limitations of monarchy. Reflecting on his background, he admitted, "I spent many years kicking my heels, and I didn't want to grow up." The Duke of Sussex dishes on how the rest of the royal family thinks about the monarchy. In a stunning turn of events, Harry also shared some intriguing information about the rest of his royal family. In particular, the Duke of Sussex took aim at individuals in line to the throne. During the remarkably frank conversation, Harry declared that nobody truly wants to inherit the crown and govern the monarchy. He didn't identify anyone by name, but at the time, Prince Charles was next in line, followed by Harry's older brother, Prince William. The interview took place many months after Harry and Meghan first met and 5 years previous to the passing of Queen Elizabeth. Interestingly, this debate occurred even before Harry had proposed to Meghan. Within a year, they would be happily married. Harry and Meghan leave their royal duties in 2020, yet it was clearly evident that the notion was blooming in their minds in 2017. Harry indicated his intention to lead a pretty average life and wanted his future children to experience the same. "I am determined to have a relatively normal life, and if I am lucky enough to have children, they can have one too," he remarked. "We don't want to be just a bunch of celebrities, but instead use our role for good." Prince Harry feels the monarchy must evolve in the coming years. In 2020, Harry and Meghan made the choice to relinquish their royal obligations. In a surprising statement, they claimed that they were tired of the incessant media scrutiny and the limits imposed by their jobs. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex traveled to California, seeking a fresh start. Buckingham Palace later confirmed their departure, a year after the initial statement. During his talk with Levin, Harry also revealed his perspective on the necessity for a redesign inside the royal family. Although he recognized the monarchy was necessary, he stated that it must alter after Queen Elizabeth is gone. "We feel that the British public and the whole world needs institutions like this, but it can't go on as it has done under the Queen," he explained. Following their departure, Harry and Meghan lost their His/Her Royal Highness titles. They did, however, preserve their honors as the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. Harry and Meghan are presently residing in California with their 2 children, Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet. King Charles granted their children titles when he reached the throne in 2022. Princess Lilibet due to get amazing £5,000 present one day from Meghan. Meghan Markle previously stated she had something she hopes to gift to her daughter one day, even long before she met Prince Harry. Princess Lilibet is due to receive an incredible present one day from Meghan Markle. In 2015, 6 years before welcoming Lilibet, Meghan revealed in an interview she had purchased a luxury gift for herself, one that she would someday give on to her own daughter. As Lilibet celebrates her 2nd birthday today, the tiny one is expected to be given many thoughtful presents from her parents and older brother, Archie. When the Duchess of Sussex starred on the U.S. legal drama series Suits, Meghan decided to treat herself to a unique gift. As the series got extended to a third series, Meghan splurged out on a Cartier Tank Française watch, costing an estimated £5,000. As well as having a hefty price tag, Meghan also got it inscribed to make it particularly unique. In 2015, in an interview with KLO, Meghan explained, "When I found out Suits had been picked up for our third season, which at the time felt like such a milestone, I really splurged and bought a two-tone version of the watch." Meghan added, "I hope to give it to my baby one day. That's what makes pieces special, the connection you have to them." Meghan also has a Cartier Tank Française watch that was originally owned by her late mother-in-law, Princess Diana. It is thought to have been transferred to Meghan from Harry in the early days of their relationship. For Lilibet's second birthday, the Sussexes have not formally announced their plans, but the pair are rumored to be celebrating their daughter's birthday with a modest gathering in the U.S. In terms of Lilibet's gifts, the source informed New Idea, no doubt she'll be getting a pile of toys. Meghan has fallen in love with Cartier's absolutely divine music boxes. Despite this, the source stated that Harry is planned on buying his daughter some very special things. They added, "Harry is letting Meghan take charge of most of Lily's gifts, but he was talking about adding more British books to the nursery that he used to love as a kid, like the Paddington Bear and Frog and Toad series." Prince Harry absent as court hearing against newspaper group begins. Prince Harry is scheduled to face cross-examination from MGN's barrister. A judge has expressed his surprise over the Duke of Sussex's absence from the High Court as his solo case against the publisher of the Daily Mirror over alleged unlawful information collecting got underway. He was slated to be at court on Monday, but his attorneys told the court he will not appear until Tuesday, when he is due to face cross-examination from MGN's counsel. David Sherborne, representing the Duke and the other claimants, said as the hearing opened on Monday that Harry had traveled to the UK from Los Angeles in the US on last night, since he was celebrating his daughter Lilibet's second birthday on Sunday. Mr. Justice Fancourt, the judge hearing the matter, said he was a little surprised to hear the Duke would not be attending court on Monday. The judge said he gave an order earlier in the trial that witnesses should be available the day before their evidence was set to be heard in case the defense team's opening addresses ran short. Harry, 38, is suing Mirror Group Newspapers, MGN, for damages, claiming journalists at its titles, which also include the Sunday Mirror and Sunday People, were linked to methods including phone hacking, so-called blagging, or gaining information by deception and use of private investigators for unlawful activities. His claim is being considered alongside 3 other representative claims at a trial which began last month and is due to last 6 to 7 weeks. Andrew Green, KC, for MGN, said he intended to have at least a day and a half to cross-examine the Duke and was deeply troubled he would not be attending before Tuesday, which may lead to wasted time on Monday afternoon. Harry alleges roughly 140 publications published between 1996 and 2010 contained material obtained through illegitimate means, and 33 of these have been selected to be considered during the trial. MGN is fighting the accusations and has either denied or not admitted any of them. The publisher also says some of the claimants have brought their legal case too late. His court appearance will come just over a month after he attended the coronation of his father, the king. It is understood to be the first time a senior member of the royal family has directly appeared in court proceedings since 2002, when the Princess Royal pleaded guilty to a charge under the Dangerous Dogs Act after her pet bit 2 youngsters in Windsor Great Park. On the opening day of the trial, lawyers for MGN said the publisher unreservedly apologizes to the Duke for one instance of improper information collecting and that it accepts he was entitled to appropriate compensation. Andrew Green, KC, said it was conceded that a private investigator was instructed, by an MGN journalist at The People to unlawfully obtain information about Harry's activities at the China White nightclub one night in February 2004. Otherwise, the specified allegations are denied, or in a few cases not admitted, he continued. Mr. Green said there was a reference to a payment record for £75 in February 2004. He continued, "It is admitted that this represented an instruction to engage in unlawful information gathering, and MGN unreservedly apologizes and accepts that the Duke of Sussex is entitled to appropriate compensation for it." MGN does not know what information this related to, although it clearly had some connection with his conduct at the nightclub. The barrister added that there was a People article published in February 2004 giving the recollection of a woman Harry spent time with at the club. Mr. Green added, "The Duke of Sussex notably does not claim in relation to this article, so it is not alleged that this instruction led to the publication of his private information. The fee paid, £75, suggests little work was involved." The three other representing claimants are Coronation Street actor Michael Turner, known professionally as Michael Lavelle, who is best known for playing Kevin Webster in the long-running serial, former Coronation Street actress Nikki Sanderson, and comedian Paul Whitehouse's ex-wife Fiona Whiteman. Mr. Green said voicemail interception was denied in all four cases and that there was no evidence or no sufficient evidence. The barrister continued, "There is some evidence of the instruction of third parties to engage in other types of unlawful information gathering in respect of each of the claimants, save for Ms. Turner, whose claim is entirely denied, and MGN has made pleaded admissions in respect thereof. MGN unreservedly apologizes for all such instances of unlawful information gathering and assures the claimants that such conduct will never be repeated." At the commencement of the trial in May, an MGN spokeswoman said, "Where historical wrongdoing has taken place, we have made admissions, take full responsibility, and apologize unreservedly. But we will vigorously defend against allegations of wrongdoing where our journalists acted lawfully." MGN has previously settled a number of claims against it in relation to unlawful information gathering. But a 2015 trial of representative claims, including those brought by former Coronation Street actress Shobna Gulati, ex-footballer Paul Gascoigne, and actress Sadie Frost, is the only other trial to have taken place during the long-running litigation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any update.